Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove the myshopify.com part from your store URL. Using a custom domain makes your store look more professional and helps build trust with your customers. Let's walk through this together. In your Shopify dashboard, to remove the myshopify.com from your URL, we need to buy a domain. To do that, head to your dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard. Next, go to Settings. You can find this in the lower left corner of the page. From there, click Domains. Once we are on the Domains page, we need to buy a new domain. Here, we can choose the domain we want. When we search for a domain, we will see different options available, like this one. We can get jando.com, no more myshopify.com. Now buy the domain that works best for your store. If you want this one, simply click the Buy button. Then set up your payment method here. Once the payment method is ready, we can select the domain and set it as our primary domain. Go to Domains, select the newly purchased domain, click it, and set it as your primary domain. That's how we update our Shopify store domain. By connecting a custom domain, our store will look more branded and professional.